Hi there. Today I need to fix my wife's car. Her wipers stock started to release the magic smoke. Luckily it didn't catch fire and I needed to order a new part, and now I need to take off the airbag, the steering wheel, the wiper stock, the signal stock and everything in between to install the new one. So that makes for a great reason to take a look at this. And what is this? Well, it's kind of a quick access tool bag. Basically, it's a tool bag that's not closed up top. And when you have something to work on your car like I have now, something like this is awesome because you basically put your tools in it and not just throw them on the ground like I usually do, or when my father's around he prefers to have them in a bucket. Yeah. Anyway, so this is from YPC, Your Perfect Case, and thanks YPC for sending this in to take a look at it, and we will put it to good use. So let's open it up. Before opening it up, let's see. There are more variants of colors. We have here the blue yellow. I will put the link in the description from where you can buy this. This is the size and it can carry 20 kilograms. I don't think I will put that much ever in it. And the material seems to be Oxford polyester 600D. I'm not that much into this type of materials, but probably for somebody that is a bit more outdoorsy, this could be a common material from various gear. Let's take a quick look. What I must say from the start, I like the color scheme, but then again, I like blue, so yeah. So basically this kind of falls down, as you could see, but when you need to, you have this, which lock in place. Let me get a bit more light in here and bumped into the phone. I am a bit tired today, but I need to fix the car, so I need to use this basically. Let's lock the other side, or if you want more info, and this is the English variant, and this is the model number and the location of the company. So let's lock the second side. Basically at any time you can unlock them, and this will just fold right back up. Let's take a quick look. What do we have here? What is this? Ah, this is the lower part. Okay, maybe I should have locked that one first. Ah, probably doesn't really matter. But I'm locking it less now because I didn't check it. Okay, we are locked and ready to support some weight. Let me move the camera to get a better look. Sadly, I cannot get a wider angle than this, because when I need to lock in the colors, so my phone doesn't always compensate for this green, it does not allow me to use the wide angle camera. Thanks, Huawei. So yeah, anyway. We have here the pockets, and the pockets seem to be from a material that's actually waterproof from what I see. Or not waterproof, maybe water resistant. I think that's the better term for it. For pockets you can put, I don't know, if you have screws or smaller bits or something like that, you don't throw them in. It's easier to find them in the pockets, which actually makes a lot of sense. Oh, these are for screwdrivers, aren't they? Yep, most likely for screwdrivers. Okay, that's nice. Velcro and elastic, so this is nice. and what you put in here, you can basically see it and reach it. And on this side, a really big bucket, presumably for something like a multimeter, for example, you can put in there. Internally, we have other locations to put something like this, for example. So you don't need to search for everything in there, but if you have bigger and heavier stuff, yes, you throw them in there. Obviously, we have this shoulder strap. It's padded, as you can see. Materials, I really like this. This seems like a really durable material. Nice. Metal, not cheap, stupid plastic stuff like you see on some products online. This is metal also, kind of a quick release, but it's a strong spring. I couldn't find the term for it. So if you don't want to use this, and probably I will not use it, get it off so it doesn't bother you when you are working. Handle, obviously metal, and with this sponge or foam in here. This is the way it's attached to the material itself. The straps are also from this. We need to cut this. Okay. Ooh. Now I only see it. So basically this actually locks in place. When you put it like this, there's no chance for it to come undone unless you want it to come undone and fold back on itself. Okay. That's actually a nice idea. Camera. Focus. Focus. The day is coming when I need to replace this phone for YouTube videos, but not yet. Just not yet. Okay, their logo in here. And it seems we have some reinforcement. I feel something like a metal or plastic bar in here. That's basically a reinforcement for the edge, so this doesn't warp all around. It stays straight. Yep, this is also in here and it's quite strong. I like what I see. Again, I like the color scheme, and so this doesn't start to tear from the ends. We have this, and it seems that's the reason jeans have them. I never understood why they have them. Well, jeans were worksman pants, so they needed to be really tough, so they had stuff like this, so the tear cannot start to rip the seam. If you have something like this, not starting, they work for longer. Have them also in here, and we have these, which are actually rubber, not those plasticky stupid things. These are actually rubber, you can bend them. Okay, I like it. Let's put things in here and go work on the car. I'm tired, but I need to do it. And we are ready to go. And this is a simple fix, so it takes a lot to disassemble what I need to repair, but it doesn't require many tools. That being said, when I first opened it up to know what part to order, I needed to see the part number. I did make 2 trips. There was no way to take all of this in my hands, and yeah, so this time, nope, and I have everything in here and we're done with it. And again, this is a simple fix. Normally I have way more tools that I need to carry, and I have in here maybe 2 or 3 kilos, so you feel it when you lift it, but it's not like it's Jesus, I cannot lift it. Nope, nowhere near that. Just comfortable and simple. Almost had to make a second trip because I forgot to bring the new part. Now let's go. As you can see, the tools are next to me instead of being scattered all over. If it's wet down, it's even worse because I always need to bring something and lay them onto it. Like this, yeah, it might get a little bit wet. Although this shouldn't get wet, only the exterior, so if it's the same material in here, maybe that also doesn't get wet. So yeah, anyway, let's have some fun. Truth be told, forgot to bring this, so I did make a second trip in the end, but at least for sure I will only make one when getting everything back. Work in progress. And we're done. The aftermarket part is in, car is fixed, let's take the tools back. And yes, it kind of looks a bit off, but this was used for 23 years. No, sorry, 21 years. This is how old the car is. So, yeah. And that's about it. We are right back here where we started. I just need to put the tools back in their proper place and fold this upon itself. And yep, doing exactly what it says it does. And for me at least, being a big help, not carrying stuff in my hands anyway. So yeah, this has one downside to it. It doesn't put the tools back by itself in their respective drawers. YPC, if you can do something like that to put the tools back by itself. Anyway, so thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. And thanks YPC for sending this in. Bye.